So tomorrow's Valentine's Day, and if you're looking for a great treat for that special someone or even the whole family to enjoy, these are they. These are triple chocolate cupcakes, made healthy vegan style. No oil, no wheat, no refined sugar. And today, I'm going to show you how to make your own. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is go over the ingredients we're going to use to make these triple, not double, triple chocolate cupcakes, starting with our wet ingredients. Now for wet ingredients, we're going to use some applesauce. I always get organic 1-ingredient applesauce. I'm going to use some plant milk. I'm using walnut milk. You could use any plant milk of your choice. Going to have a little bit of water here, some ground flax, some apple cider vinegar, and then some date syrup. Now for the cake base itself, the dry ingredients we're going to use are almond flour, some oat flour, some cacao powder. Now you could use cocoa powder, either or. I'm going to use some date sweetened chocolate chips. As you know, that's my only caveat with chocolate chips is that they must be date sweetened. I'm going to use some vanilla bean powder. As always, you could substitute vanilla extract instead. I like the vanilla bean powder. It carries the flavor better. It's 1 ingredient. It's organic, no junk added, super health promoting. And then we're going to use some baking powder and some baking soda. Now, I did want to mention something to you about baking powder and baking soda. So a lot of people ask me where I source or what brands I prefer on things like baking soda and baking powder and a lot of other ingredients that I use. So let me show you this. So in my Make Your Own cookbook, I've included a section showing you how to stock your kitchen. And it talks about most of the ingredients that I use, the nutritional benefits of those ingredients, and where to source them. So it's all in alphabetical order. If I go to the next page in the B's, you'll see that there's a section for baking soda and baking powder. And it talks about exactly what baking soda and baking powder are, where to source them. And for those of you who want the cleanest version of baking powder that you can possibly have, I've even included a make your own recipe so you can make your own baking powder at home. My Make Your Own cookbook is available right now for pre-order. So check out the description below the video. I'll have a link and details of where you can get the book. And keep in mind, when you pre-order, you get bonuses like 3 downloadable ebooks that you can download instantly with over 40 different recipes that you can start making right now. So check out the descriptions below or simply Google Make Your Own Cookbook to order today. Okay, so now let's start putting these cupcakes together. All right, so now the first thing I'm going to do is make a flax egg, and I'm going to do that by combining the ground flax that I showed you with the water and just mixing it and setting it aside for a few minutes, and then we'll bring it back in when needed.
Using a flax egg helps to add stability and moisture to these cupcakes.
All right, so now while the flax egg is thickening, I'm going to go ahead and combine my dry ingredients and get them mixed together really well.
If you're someone who's limiting chocolate in your diet, you can replace half or all of the cacao in this recipe with carrot powder.
All right, so now I've let my flax egg thicken. Now it's time to add the other wet ingredients to my flax egg, get those mixed, and then combine them with the dry ingredients.
Now let's talk about some of the ingredients that you can expect to find in a typical box cake mix, starting with refined sugar, corn syrup, all kinds of additives, preservatives, and artificial flavors. And if you look closely at the bottom of the label, you'll see contains bioengineered food ingredients, another example of how much better it is to make your own.
All right, so now everything is mixed. Now it's just a matter of taking my batter and getting it into my muffin pan and then into the oven.
So here I'm using an ice cream scoop to portion out my batter evenly, but a measuring cup would also work well.
All right, so now I've got my cupcakes in the oven. Every good cupcake needs a good frosting, and that's what we're going to make right now. We're making chocolate frosting to make these triple chocolate cupcakes. Now, with frosting, typically you use a ton of refined sugar and, butter, all kinds of stuff. We're going to be using dates instead. There's 12 dates in here. Sounds like a lot of dates, but remember, this recipe makes about 12, and so a lot of times I'll get a baker's dozen, about 13 cupcakes out of this recipe. So for every cupcake, you're only getting 1 date. Now we have some date syrup in there too to add a little bit more, but still very reasonable, and again, much better than typical sweeteners like refined sugar.
So let's talk about what you can expect to see in a typical store-bought frosting, starting with refined sugar, high fructose corn syrup, which is heavily linked to type 2 diabetes, obesity, metabolic syndrome, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. And the list doesn't get any better as we continue, ending with the note partially produced with genetic engineering.
All right, so now I've got my cupcakes out of the oven and they've cooled. Now it's just a matter of getting them frosted. Now to frost the cupcakes, you could just use a knife, but I'm actually going to pipe the frosting onto the cupcakes, and I'm going to do that now.
Now, do keep in mind that doing the frosting this way is all about aesthetics. I think it creates the most beautiful looking finished product. However, by all means, you could do this just with a knife or a spoon.
All right, so now I've got my cupcakes frosted, and you could stop right there, and these are great. But since this was a special request for Valentine's Day, I'm gonna add another touch and just put a nice healthy raspberry on top of everything. By the way, Mr. Banks and the Banks family, I assume you're watching. I hope that you make these and love them. Thanks for the request.
If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below.
All right, the cupcakes are done and they look delicious. Triple chocolate with a raspberry on top. Sounds nice, doesn't it? Let's give it a taste. For you, of course. That's a mouthful of delicious chocolate. That is good. If you're a chocolate lover, gotta try these. Easy to make, great for Valentine's Day. You can't beat it. No junk ingredients. Thank you, Mr. Banks. Thank you, Banks family. I hope you guys enjoy these. Make your own. All right, if you're new to my channel and you're wondering how to find the recipes, look below the video and tap on the word more and you'll see the beginning of the recipe. Tap on the word more a second time and you'll see the full recipe, and then you can begin to make your own. Thanks for watching.